Hello everyone, it is our honor here to present SuicidEmoji, Derived Emoji Dataset and Task for Suicide-Related Social Content in SIGIR 2024. So this work is a collaborative effort between the University of Manchester, Archimedes Center Research Center, and the University of Helsinki. So suicide is a major public health issue with over 700,000 deaths annually worldwide, according to the WHO. It is the first leading cause of death among teenagers. Emojis are graphical symbols widely used in modern text communication. Research on emojis has been increasing as they play important roles on social media and carry rich semantic and emotional information. Studies show that emojis can help us understand emotions in text and provide clues to predict mental illness. However, most existing suicide-related datasets remove emojis, limiting their potential insights. To address the gap in suicide-related emoji resources and promote future research, we created SuicidEmoji, a derived dataset containing 25,051 emoji posts, filtered from approximately 1.3 million Reddit entries. SuicidEmoji is the first dataset of its kind. We propose two novel tasks: emoji-veil suicidal ideation detection and emoji prediction. We also evaluate the performance of several sorted methods, including pre-trained large models and ChatGPT on these benchmarks. We obtained the source-ready data from two large-scale suicidal text corpora, Suicide Reddit and Robin, both collected from Reddit using the PushShift API. For our dataset, we only kept posts that contain emojis. To decode these emojis, we use the emoji package, as most emojis are encoded in the Unicode standard. The detailed statistics of the dataset are presented in here. Users with suicidal ideation tend to post longer messages and use fewer emojis, compared with control group users. In the Suicide Verge subreddit, users often use negative emotion emojis, such as pensive face, loudly crying face, and broken heart, to express their feelings. And control group users prefer positive emojis, such as the smiling face with sunglasses and the face with tears of joy. We also present the word graph of emojis for both groups, and you can tell the difference from the word graph. Our study focuses on two main tasks. Suicidal ideation detection, SID, detects whether posts with emojis express potential suicidal ideation. We created a balanced dataset by combining 10,000 control posts with 2,329 suicide-related posts. Another task, Emoji Prediction EP, aims to predict emojis based on the post context. We selected the 20 most frequent emojis from each set with their percentage shown on Table 2. For our study, we established baseline models including BERT, MetaBERT, Falcon, Llama, and ChatGPT. For the SID task, the prompt is as follows. Consider this post to answer the question, does the post express the author's suicidal ideation? Only return yes or no. We use 4 different settings for the post. The original is the original post. The removed is the post removing those emojis. The emoji is the post encoding emojis using the encoder. And the emoji with text is the emoji we transfer in those emoji with the text descriptions. For the EP task, the prompt is as follows. Consider this post to select one of the most suitable emoji from the following emoji set. Only return the assigned emoji. The list here are the predefined emojis ground truth sets. The results of the SID task are presented in Table 3. So BERT emoji name and the mental BERT emoji models achieve the best performance because they effectively capture emoji information. BERT emoji text outperforms other models in recall, and F1 for the suicide category demonstrate that the descriptive information conveyed by emojis is beneficial for the suicide ideation detection. So for the EP task, all models achieve lower performance on the EP dataset, reviewing the challenges of emoji prediction tasks due to multiple interpretations of emojis and cultural variations. Table 5 also shows the confusion matrix of MetaBERT on the suicide test set. For top 5 labels, the model achieves higher accuracy in predicting emojis with larger data volumes. In conclusion, we present the first suicide-related emoji dataset, SuicidEmoji, which facilitates in-depth analysis and future research on emoji-based suicide-related NLP tasks. We built 2 benchmark sub-datasets to explore the challenges of emoji-aware suicide ideation detection and emoji prediction tasks. The experimental results reveal the challenges in existing models in this research domain. That's all my presentation. Thank you.